This is the sound of artillery. But it's also the sound of teamwork. Marines from the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit team up with Republic of Korea Marines to create the sound that the King of Battle makes so well.
The troops within the battery get to see how a foreign military works, get to bridge a gap in language and culture, get to see foreign weapons, and they're forced to think about how we might have to partner with the South Koreans again.
During the shoot, U.S. Marines teach ROK Marines about their 777 howitzers' operations and capabilities. The two forces then switch, and the ROK Marines become the teacher.
It's my first time to see the U.S. Forces howitzer, and it is different than ours. It shoots differently and looks more complicated than ours. It seems awesome to me.
The bilateral training comes as only one part of Ssang Yong 16, a biennial exercise that strengthens relationships across a wide range of military operations. But for now, it's all about that steel rain. Army Sergeant Mark Brejcha, Sanseori Range, Korea.